When your alarm sounds early in the morning, do you hop out of bed, rested, and ready for the day? Or do you hit the snooze button, hoping for some extra Z's? If you're like a lot of teens, you may not be getting enough sleep. Sleep is critical to recharging your mind, mood, and body. It affects how you look, feel, and perform every day. While you're sleeping, your brain is literally being rewired, forming new pathways to improve memory and help with concentration, decision-making, and creativity. Sleep aids in muscle growth, tissue repair, and regulating hormones. Sleep also supports a healthy immune system and keeps your appetite in check. So how much shut-eye should teens get every night? Between 8 and 10 hours is best. But with homework, after-school activities, hanging out with friends, and all that social media time, it's easy to stay up way too late. You can end up sleep-deprived, and that can really hurt. Without enough sleep, you can feel tired and cranky. It can impact your mood, too, creating mood swings and making depression and anxiety worse. You might also have problems paying attention and remembering things. And when you're sleep-deprived, you may overeat, which can add pounds. So if you're having trouble getting a good night's rest, try setting a nightly routine. Sleeping in a cool, dark room can be a big help. Get regular exercise, avoid caffeine after 4 p.m., and don't forget to shut off any screens at least an hour before bedtime. When it's lights out, you'll be ready to snooze and recharge your batteries. Pleasant dreams!